What's up, Merc here. So I got a new Christmas necklace. Before I give away my old ones next week, before I give away my own church necklaces to Cooper coins, my own one. This is a new one. I'm pretty happy with it. I got the holiday time unboxed, but this is my, before I get a holiday time bracelet, I'm trying this on a loop. These are, it's 36-inch. I'm pretty happy with those. They look good on me. Before I update my YouTube channel, that's pretty much it for this. I'm keeping this. I'm giving the Red and Sober necklace away. So that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like if you enjoy this. Alright, peace out. Bye now.